Hi, I'm Angel. I'm a tool and use specialist at the Berkeley Public Library. And today we'll be going through the basics of a 10-inch Bosch table saw. And the first thing we're going to do is show you the accessories that comes with the table. First one is the push stick. So in order to use the push stick, and if you're cutting your piece of wood really close to the blade, you don't want to get your fingers near it, so you use a push stick. So you run it through your piece of wood through, and when you get towards the end, push it through and your fingers are good. Then comes the wrenches to change the blades if you need to. And then we also have the miter gauge if you need to do angles. And with the miter gauge, all you have to do is unloosen the handle and turn your miter. I almost set this at 45 degrees. And what you do is put it inside this slot that's in the table. And you get your piece of wood, put it up against your miter gauge. And if you need to do a 45-degree angle, you just run it through. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and set this table saw up to make a cut. What you want to do is unloosen your fence, and then if you need to extend the table, just pull that out. And then what you want to do is lift your blade up about 1/4 of an inch above your material. About right there is good. Do like a miter. If you want to put the blade into an angle, hit that, and the blade will, you can move the blade into like a 45 degree if you need to. But today we're going to do a straight cut. Don't forget your eye protection, very important. There you have the cut. And if you have any questions, you can give us a call at 510-981-6101, or you can look us up on the web at www.berkeleypubliclibrary.org. See you when you get here.